Hi, this is Congressman Jeff Fortenberry. Great to be back in Nebraska. I had some very productive meetings I'd like you to take a look at with leaders in the healthcare space, roads and infrastructure, as well as environmental security and sustainable energy. Thank you, Russ, so much for seeing us today. This is Russ Ronewald, who's CEO of Bryan Hospital. We're in the emergency room today, and we're actually looking at a variety of services that Bryan does and talking about healthcare policy. Thanks so much for serving the community. It's been busy, and I know how much the community values this, but let's talk about healthcare briefly. The key is improving healthcare outcomes while reducing costs. So many people are concerned about the bills they're receiving, and escalating healthcare costs are actually pushing people out of the healthcare system. So talk about some of the innovations you're working on.
Sure. A number of things. First of all, one of the biggest increases of cost is people using the right setting as opposed to the wrong setting. So right now we've been developing some new settings of healthcare. Our 5055 building has ambulatory surgery centers. They should be going to those when they can, as opposed to...
So if somebody's really sick, well, you make a determination. If you're really sick or something's really wrong, you come to the emergency room. But if it's another case and it's late at night, you've got separate systems that are actually a lot less expensive than the emergency room.
Urgent cares, ambulatory surgery. We're doing a lot in telemedicine across the state.
And what other rural communities are you intimately working with?
Gosh, about 60 different rural communities, and actually several other states as well are starting to do that.
And I think that's a big growth area as we, again, are in solidarity with the idea of reducing costs and improving outcomes at the same time. Telehealth, using experts, linking up digitally so that they can actually be present and without physically transporting people. But that's good innovation. In fact, in Congress this year, we just funded in a very large way a new aggressive effort to expand broadband with the idea of creating a better sense of well-being in the rural communities for telecommuting, as well as telehealth and precision agriculture and a number of other applications. But it depends upon that ecosystem, all those things working together.
I'm here with these fine gentlemen who are in the financial services industry who are thanking me for the SECURE Act, which came through Congress and is passed into law. And one of the primary benefits of it is that it projects on your financial statements, the citizens of America's financial statements, the amount of income they'll receive in retirement. It's a pretty good summary, Joe?
Yes, it is. It's very important. We thank you for your support.
Hey, I'm here with Josh at Lincoln Electric System. Gentlemen behind me are linemen, and today's inclement weather. We're inside doing some training, and we were looking at what is this, the Hall of Fame, the Hall of Shame? What is this?
Yeah.
Tell me what this is, Josh.
Well, this is a burn-up pole. This could happen. Yeah. I mean, there's a lot of situations that could cause this.
Yeah, but we don't do that anymore, right?
No.
You're all on top of it.
All on top.
What is this piece right here?
This would be a secondary lug. So, kind of like our service pedestals.
Yeah.
Being something like that.
That kind of melted too.
Yeah, over time.
So what are the latest inventions to try to prevent things like this? And
a lot of this stuff is area rebuilds. You know, we're getting rid of old equipment. Getting everything up to date and fresh. And,
that was my father's first job, by the way.
Really?
Lineman, as I understand.
That's
it.
awesome.
A long time ago.
Yeah,
I don't remember. I was a baby.
Sure.
Yeah. Well, great. Well, appreciate your hard work. And LES is the culture shifting to more renewable energy, and that's all exciting for the community. Perfect. All right. To see you again. I'm with Shelley Saling-Zart. Are you the CEO? What's your official title?
Vice President and General Counsel.
Sorry, of Lincoln Electric System. They do a great job serving our community. Shelley and I have been working together a long time, way back when I was on the Lincoln City Council, so thanks for all of your good service. One of the most exciting things, and we mentioned in the previous video, is that LES is shifting its culture very rapidly toward renewable energy. And they put their money where their mouth is, so to speak. Right here above us in this room is a 50 kilowatt solar panel, and basically that area right there is enough to power 25 homes. So we really appreciate, again, this movement towards sustainable energy vision. You've got a lot of infrastructure, and it takes a long time to get there, but you're on the front end.
Well, and we appreciate you walk the walk. You've participated in some of our programs, and we appreciate that.
All right. Okay. Good to see you. Thank you.